Hey there, psychology enthusiasts! Ever noticed how time flies when you're having fun but drags when you're bored out of your mind? Today, I'm diving into the fascinating ways our emotions can warp our perception of time. So, first off, let's talk about happiness. When you're happy, your brain releases dopamine. This feel-good neurotransmitter not only makes you feel on top of the world, but also speeds up your internal clock. That's why those blissful moments seem to vanish in an instant. Crazy, right? On the flip side, there's sadness. When you're down in the dumps, time seems to crawl. This happens because negative emotions heighten our awareness of time passing. It's like our brain is stuck in slow motion, making every second feel like an eternity. But it's not just happiness and sadness. Anxiety also plays a massive role. When you're anxious, your body goes into fight or flight mode, your heart races and your senses sharpen. This heightened state of alertness makes you hyper-aware of time, stretching out those anxious moments. Feels like waiting for the dentist, doesn't it? Now let's get into some cool research. Scientists have been studying how emotions affect time perception for over 20 years. One interesting study found that people who watched a scary movie overestimated the length of time compared to those who watched a neutral film. Fear, it seems, makes time stretch out too. But how about positive emotions besides happiness, like excitement or love? When you're excited or in love, your brain is flooded with a cocktail of chemicals. These emotions create a sense of timelessness. Minutes turn into hours, and before you know it, the day is gone. Ever lost track of time on a first date? Yeah, that's why. And here's another twist: boredom. When you're bored, your brain lacks stimulation. It desperately searches for something interesting, but when it doesn't find anything, time drags. That's why waiting in line feels like an eternity. So what can we do with this knowledge? Knowing how emotions affect our perception of time can help us manage our daily lives better. If you're feeling stressed or anxious, try to engage in activities that make you happy or excited. This can help speed up your internal clock and make time feel like it's moving faster. Understanding these mechanisms also gives us insight into how our brain works. It's a reminder of the powerful connection between our emotions and our perception of reality. So, next time you're stuck in a seemingly endless meeting or enjoying the best day ever, remember, it's all in your head. And that's not a bad thing, it's just how we're wired. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this intriguing. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.